Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, February 13th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly time frame, working my way down to the 1 hour for the full countdown analysis. So we do have CPI inflation data today. That's going to be a very big news event for all the dollar pairs, so definitely be careful of that. On these higher time frames, I still think this is a 1, 2, 3 right here, 1, 2, and I think we're in a wave 3. I still think this has a lot of upside potential, potentially all the way up to at least a 24, maybe even $2,500 area. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, we've been very, very sideways pretty much ever since basically the beginning of December. I still think at some point this is going to just shoot right up and might continue the wave 3. I think this is a 1 here. This is a 2. I think we're in a subdivision 1, 2 right here. This is like a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3. Eventually, I think it's going to keep on going up for the wave 3 of 3. And who knows, maybe today is the day where it confirms that we're back into the uptrend. So going down to the daily, I've been saying for quite a while that I expected it to go down to one of these fib levels, which I still kind of suspect could be the case. But if today's news does cause this to go up, if it does cause a break of structure, I will be more than happy to say this is a 1, this is a 2, and that the wave 2 is over and we're back into a wave 3. And if it does prove that this is the end of a wave 2, then we're going to be looking for longs for this wave 3 for several weeks, which is great news for us. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, it definitely made a little bit of a 1, 2, 3 shape down, didn't it? And we got a Fibonacci bounce. Like I said, I'm still kind of leaning towards down because there's really no confirmation, and I did expect it to go down to at least the 78 or the 88% fib level. So I'm definitely still leaning towards down, but if today's news does cause a nice impulsive move up, a nice clear break of structure and a hold above structure, I would be more than happy to say this is the end of a wave 2 and that we're in a wave 3, that we should continue to look for longs and an uptrend over the coming weeks. Going down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on here because we are going to learn and earn at the same time, hopefully, whether this is actually going up or not. Because if this bounces off a fib level at the news, makes a big engulfing move to the downside, I would take it to a short because technically I'm definitely still looking for shorts. All my roadmap time frames have definitely uh, telling me that the trend is down and that there is no confirmation that it's going up yet. Now, on the other hand, if today's news actually causes this to go up and take out structure, then I would be more than happy to start looking for longs at the end of pullbacks for the upcoming weeks. So we're just going to have to really pay attention to our structure, pay attention to our Fibonacci retracement levels. We're going to have to watch for a nice impulsive move to the downside to either to go short, or we're going to have to watch for a nice clear break and hold above structure, so that way we can start looking for longs for the upcoming weeks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.